Why should you use Git and GitHub, and what's the difference between them? So first let's find out what is Git and what is GitHub. Git is an open-source version control system, and GitHub is a hosting service for Git repositories. Basically, it is a social networking site for developers. Git is a tool to manage your source code history. It takes a snapshot of every time edits made to code, so you just work on your code, make changes, commit time changes, and it will automatically keep track of those changes and create different versions of files. So if something breaks, you can easily revert back to old versions anytime you need. You can use Git to manage your code with other people working on the project. So when several developers send their code to GitHub, it becomes a central repository where all the code can stay in sync. So other developers can sync your changes to their local repository, and you can do the same with their code. So it allows several developers collaborate, make changes, upload their code without worrying about conflicting changes overwriting each other. There are a lot of other benefits, but these are main reasons why you should use it. This application runs via the command line, and what it does, it reads your local code folder on your computer and then mirrors this code to the GitHub servers. So it sends commits your local repository to GitHub. But it's not obligatory to use GitHub. You can simply track the versions of your code in local repository of your machine using Git. There are two processes: committing or capturing the change from your working copy to your local repository, and pushing or uploading the captured change from your local repository to GitHub. So committing the changes doesn't mean uploading them to GitHub. You can avoid using GitHub if you want. However, GitHub is the most popular Git hosting service today. Almost every open-source project chooses GitHub for their project. It is a social networking site for developers, as you can look at other people's code, identify issues with their code, and even propose changes. GitHub is free, easy to use, and extremely popular. It is the best tool to get noticed, as most companies look into the GitHub profiles. So it gives you more chances to be recruited. As a developer, it is important to be the part of the community, as together with productiveness and efficiency, it makes coding fun and exciting. Please write in comments why you've decided to become a web developer and what topics you are interested in. And if you want to be the first to watch such free educational videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good week and see you next Tuesday.